ஹாய் ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம எதை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா ரயில்வே எல்டிசி எக்ஸாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கானது தான் இந்த வீடியோ. இந்த வீடியோவில் குறிப்பாக இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் ஜூனியர் இன்ஜினியர் பர்மனெண்ட் வே எக்ஸாமுக்கு படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கான சிலபஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய டாபிக்ஸ் தான் பார்ப்போம். இதில் கேட்கக்கூடிய முக்கியமான கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா, வாட் இஸ் த டைப் ஆஃப் ரயில் யூஸ்ட் இன் பர்மனெண்ட் வே? ஃப்ளாட் ஃபுட்டட் ரயில். வாட் ஆர் த rails used in broad gauge line? 52 kg rails and 60 kg rails. What are all the rails used in meter gauge line? 50 or 60 or 75 or 90 or rails use பண்றாங்க. How the rails are identified in the field? The rails are identified by the weight. What are the parts of rails? rail head, web, flange அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மூன்று பகுதிகள் இருக்குது. அதே மாதிரி வாட் ஆர் ஆல் த ரயில்ஸ் யூஸ்ட் இன் லூப் லைன்? லூப் லைனில் செகண்ட் குவாலிட்டி ரயில்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ்ட் இன் லூப் லைன். வாட் இஸ் த நார்மல் லென்த் ஆஃப் ரயில் மேனுஃபேக்சர்? நார்மலாக வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா 13 மீட்டர் இருக்கும். வாட் ஆர் த நார்மல் லென்த் ஆஃப் ஒன் பேனல் ரயில்? 39 மீட்டர்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் த பெயிண்ட் மார்க் given ஃபார் த ஓல்டு ரயில்ஸ்? ரெட் பெயிண்ட். வாட் இஸ் த மினிமம் லென்த் ஆஃப் ரயில்ஸ் யூஸ்ட் இன் railway track? 5.5 meter. What is the minimum length of rails used in railway tunnels? 11 meters. What is the length of rails below which is called as closures? Less than 5.5 meters வந்து closer அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. 13வது question, if closures are available in the track, what is the speed to be imposed on the track? 30 km per hour. 14th question, what is the height of 52 kg rails? 156 mm. What is the flange width of 52 kg rails? 136 mm. What is the height of 60 kg rails? 172 mm. What is the flange width of 60 kg rails? 150 mm. This is 52 kg rail. The height is 156 mm. The flange breadth is 136 mm. Next வந்து, can the gasket rails be used in track? Gasket rails should not be used in railway track. What is the mean by rail? Medium manganese rail. What are the metals added with iron for rails? Manganese, sulfur, phosphorus, carbon, silica. What is the grade of rails? 710 grade. What is the grade of UTS rails? 880 grade. What is the head hardened rails are used? Suburban and where GMT is more. What is the mean of IRS 12/96 specification for rails? What is the wear resistant rails are used at places where the traffic is heavy and on outside of the sharp curves. How the industrial use rails are paint mark, blue paint on rail ends. What is the meant by rolling mark? Rolling mark represent the details of rails. What are the rolling marks are you marked on the web of the rails? This is three types of rails. One rail is double-headed rails, bull-headed rail, flat-footed rails. The top portion is head and the center portion is called web and under portion is called flange. The on the web rolling marks are marked on web of the rails. What intervals rolling marks are marked at a 10 feet interval? What are the marks in rolling marks? Name of rail, grade, month and year of manufacturing, name of suppliers, etc. What is the mean by web of rail? Web is between the head and foot of the rail. How is the rails are stocked in the ground? Rails should be stocked on plain and level ground. How many support are given for stocking the rails? 4 supports for stocking the rails. What is the maximum number of layers on stock? Maximum 16 layers. Can we stock the different rails sections at one stock? No, same rail section should be stocked. How the lengthy line rails and short rails are stocked in one stock? One end of the rail should be on the straight line. How the Rails should the lifted. Rails should be lifted with the help of rail hook. How many lifting points required for lifting 39-meter panel? 6 lifting points. Can we do chisel bar punch mark on the rails? Chisel or punch mark should made on the rails. What is the mean by GMT? GMT means gross million tonners. What is the GMT for 60 kg UTS rails? 800 GMT. What is the GMT or 52 kg UTS rails? 525 GMT. What is the mean by corrugation of rails? Minute depression on the surface of rails at the irregular intervals. What is the mean by wheel burn? Defects caused on the rails due to slipping of wheels. What and where and how the rails end are battered. Rail end are battered at joints due to defects and joints. What are the types of wear on the rails? Vertical wear, lateral wear. How the special rails like SEJ points and crossing uploaded? It must be uploaded as a set without separation. What and where and how hogging of rails developed? Logging of rails developed at joints due to defects and joints. What is the remedy for horizontal wear of rails? Greasing on cage face and cage face of outer rails. Where the corrosion of rails is more. Corrosion of rails is more in station area and coastal area. What is the action taken for prevention corrosion? Painting of rails. What are the paints for new rails? Red oxide zinc chromate 1 coat, then bituminous emulsion 2 coats. What is mean by liner sheet corrosion? Corrosion developed on the liner sheet area is called liner sheet corrosion. What are the types of liner sheet corrosion? Very severe corrosion, normal corrosion. 56th question. What is the period of greasing on liner side of rails at a very severe corrosion prone area? At a location where there is very severe corrosion, greasing is done once in 6 months on inside of the rails. What is the period of greasing for severe corrosion of prone area? At a location where there is severe corrosion, greasing to be done once in year on inside and once in 3 years on outside of rails. Next video, joints and faceplate topic.